Hey guys, it's Peter here with GoodyReader.com. We have a really weird device for unboxing today. This is the Siswoo DZS2. It is a regular smartphone for all intents and purposes, Android, but it does have an e-ink screen on the back, full e-ink. And I've left that kind of open because it's really hard to get out of this box. I tried. We actually unearthed this in the bottom drawer of a desk in our office, not our studio, so we completely forgot about this. There are some specs right there. You can read some of them: 1.7 gigahertz, 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gig onboard. It does have some normal bands like 900, 1800, but then it goes and has some really weird bands like band 34, band 39, some weird bands that basically don't work in North America, so a little bit irrelevant for us, but it is a cool device, all things considered, and we never got around to doing it. So this is the inside layout. You can see that they did do a flat glued printout on the inside, and it does wrap down into the bottom of the case, which, you know, it does show some stuff, because this means that they go a little bit above and beyond for their packaging. This is very hard cardstock for the next one. It's kind of like you're flipping a book. You have some specs there. I can only read some of the characters because it's the same as Japanese, but they don't really mean the same thing. So what is in the box of the Siswoo DZS2, you ask? Well, we have our micro USB cable, branded by Siswoo, quote unquote, by a little tag. We have a charger. Let's just take this out here. Oh wow, this has never been opened. I have opened this box years ago when we got this. We have the USB charger. This one is actually branded by Siswoo. This is very nice. It's a matte finish on it. USB on one side, full charger on the other side. And we have the device itself, which we're just going to put off just to the side for a second while we explore the rest of the box. You have two screen protectors, one for the back, one for the front, and they're both, I can't tell by looking at them, but they're completely see-through, so I doubt they're matte. They might just be standard gloss reflective. I actually do not remember what is in here from when we received this years back. The SIM card removal tool, of course, and some documentation. So what do we have here? We have, this could be some warranty information, possibly, yes. And I will just show you guys the quick manual, the Siswoo. Oh, the inside says R9, the outside says DZS2. Okay, we're a little bit confused here. So you can go ahead and pause the video if you want to read any of these. Like so. And same on the other side, I'm assuming Chinese, yes. Shows you how to remove your SIM card. Does have dual SIM tray. I find that a lot of the international models of things usually have, you know, better SIM card tray capabilities, you know, more bands. I mean, it's more international friendly, of course. You have some earpieces for your headphones that they give you, which are pretty nice. They're made out of aluminum, which is actually pretty nice to include that. It is stereo. You see you have the 3 channels there, and yeah, it's a little braided cable there. Now let's get to the meat of the potatoes. I'm not sure that term. This is the Siswoo smartphone. You can see some Chinese characters up there. You do have the SIM card tray on the side. You do have power, volume up, volume down, the antenna, a camera on the back, a camera on the front, a microphone, IR. A lot of international devices from China and Japan and Taiwan, they usually still do have infrared, so that's really nice. You can actually use this for TV remote purposes, which is really cool. Stereo speakers on the bottom, headphone jack, micro USB. This thing does have pretty much everything you'd need on the device. You have flash. You don't have front flash, but that's fine. This thing's pretty well stacked in terms of features. So we will get into the entire review and the close-ups and the functionality of both the front screen and the back screen. We won't be doing anything like how does this perform as an Android device, because frankly, let's face it, you guys don't care what we have to say about Android devices, and that's fine. We're going to focus on the e-ink side on the back. But for now, this is a full unboxing of the Siswoo R9 or DZS2, apparently, whatever one they want to swing it. For GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.